Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be trying out this purple Seduction wax by Sexy Smooth Wax on Instagram and I believe TikTok as well. So they sent me this wax, just wanted me to give my honest opinion, so y'all know I'm going to give my honest review. So these are the products that I use for the cleaning and the aftercare syrup peel, and then I use the amber for the powder. So this is me just cleaning off my bed. Y'all know y'all gotta clean y'all beds off before and after a client, no matter what. This is my prep, it's giving aesthetic vibes, period. So y'all, when the wax was fully melted, it was so pretty. It was so creamy. It was so smooth, and it was unscented. So this is me just laying the wax. The only downfall that I can say that I had was adjusting the temperature when it was time to go to the legs, because when I was doing her Brazilian, that part is more sensitive. So the wax temperature that I had, it was too hot for her, so I had to turn it down. So I tried to use that same wax that I was using for her Brazilian for her legs, and it was breaking and it was just drying way too fast. So once I got it together though, y'all, look, like I said, it lays down beautiful and it comes up so easy. This was like the most relaxing waxing session that I've ever had in a while, because the wax was not giving me no problems except for when I first started the legs, but everything else was a 10 out of 10. And the finished product, y'all, just look. And when I say fast drying, y'all, this is what I mean. I was laying the first layer of the wax and it was already drying, so I had to come in with another one to get the job done. But y'all, if y'all not shopping with Sexy Smooth Wax, what are you doing? They have a 30% off sale right now, and they're coming out with the new pink wax. Y'all know I love pink. Pink is my favorite. Thank you again for sending me this wax, y'all. I love it, and y'all gonna see a nice purchase from me coming real soon. 10 out of 10. Y'all go follow them.